Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to do a Shira makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be doing it based off of the new catra, and I will come back at a later date and do the old one. So let's get started. But we're going the palette I'm using is the yours yours shades eyeshadow tray beauty glaze. So this is the palette right here I'm using, and this is also a, if you can see it, cruelty free brand and thing. So like I'm saying, I'm doing this one based off of the newer Shira. So the first color I'm going to take is going to take this light brown right here. So I'm going to take this light brown and just put it in the crease and thing. But I know I've been watching the newer version of her, and I kind of like her. Don't hate me. I kind of like her. And like I'm saying, I'm just putting this in the crease and thing, and we're just gonna pull it down a little. And I'm gonna set this down in front of me, and we're just gonna use this brush and just blend it out a little. But if y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little insight on this newer one. I do kind of care for it, but it's just, so the next color I will be using will be this color right here. And the reason I wanted to come and do this color is do the um original one and stuff. The newer one. I got to get a certain color um for the older one, because if you look at the Cather now and you look at the Cather then, the Cather now has on this Cather has like red, has some red, a little bit like a brownish red on, but yeah, she has like a brownish red, and it's some kind of like a burgundy color to it and stuff. And that's just one of the things I wanted to do. I just wanted to come and give y'all a little bit more for her. All right. And we're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to take these two colors right here and just mix them together. It's gonna might give a little. That's what it's going to look like, and we're just going to bring that a little bit right in here and stuff. But yeah, and we're just going to bring it halfway and stuff. I'm kind of already liking it. And we're just going to do a light blend. Now before I finish it off, I'm going to go on and do the brow bone. Now the brow bone color I'm using is this color right here. And we're just going to take it right in here. And like I'm saying, I know a lot about the original, but this cat is supposed to be based off of the original series. It looks very gorgeous. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this brush right here where the brow highlight, and we're just going to kind of blend it a little. And the next color is this beautiful shimmery burgundy brown looking color right here. And excuse me. And we're going to just take this brush right here and we're just going to turn it on its side to pick up the products on both sides. And we're going to pick up the product. Excuse me if I look over a bit, and we're just going to same way. And then bring it in. And I'm just liking how it looks right now. It looks very beautiful. So I am going to finish off my face for y'all. And the foundation, before I forget, is the Infallible Foundation. And let me find the name. Here we go. It is 411 Chestnut, and that's the foundation color. And we have the NYX excuse me y'all, the NYX HD primer in for the concealer. Very blend out very well tonight. We have the Infallible Full Wear concealer in Walnut, $3.95. I always go 3 shades lighter than my color because I get a very good payoff. So we're gonna go in with the brows right quick. I love using brow tints than a brow pencil. It's just my preference. Any of y'all can use any brow tint, whatever you want to use. And I have mine is the Easy Breezy CoverGirl in brown, and this is how I do mine. And I want you to ask this question. Do y'all want me to show y'all a makeup tutorial next week on bridal party makeup? I think this is turning out very well. Let's see what kind of powder we're going to use today. We're going to do a little combination of two. We're going to use one of my favorite under eye powder, and that's the Black Racine True Complexion Setting Powder. Oh my God. I mean, this is a OD but a favy. And I'm just going to let it set for a couple of minutes. So while we do that, we'll go back and just do that. And while we're waiting on that, I can give you a little insight on the character catra. Now, if you're not born if you're born before 1985, you know this TV show. Catra is part of the evil horde, but how they're telling it in the newer series, she's part of the horde, and one of the things I didn't appreciate, it's like with people. Let me see how I can put this. When you have people like me who grew up to the series, who don't hardly like a lot of changes to something that they grew up to, especially when it's a TV show they're remaking or a cartoon they're redoing, they're not going to truly, care for it. And when I first, when I heard about She-Ra was going to get a reboot, I'm like, Okay, did Loose Diamonds family give their permission? So the powder I'm finna get ready to use is the CoverGirl Queen Collection, and this is Q425. If you can see that, that is that. That's the powder I'm using. So sometimes I contour, sometimes I'm not. And so this time I'm not going to do a lot of highlighting or contour, but I know I'm going to do a highlight. So once I get through with this, it's something, a trick I do for under my eye. I'm going to put this up in here, take this, and we're just going to do this. Yep, that's my one trick I do. Sometime with, I have a lot of different tricks. So yeah, that's that. So the next thing I'm going to be using, excuse me y'all, I'm going to be using the Warrior Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to always support Juvia's Place no matter what goes on with them. So I am going to use this color right here, Maureen, this color right here, beautiful color as a highlight. You don't need much of it. I'm just going to use it, just give it a tap, and we're just gonna might have to put it in the brush, and y'all see that? Add a little more. We're going to take it and do it on this side. Well, y'all see that? That is that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this brush and go down the bridge of my nose with that same color. And we're just going to go straight down. We're just going to use our finger the rest of the way. And there you go. That is the highlight for the nose. And I'm thinking it turned out pretty well, but we're not finished just yet. So what we're going to do, I'm going to dab this into this just a little because it is very pigmented. And this is called Red Riot right here. And we're just going to dab a little bit on the cheeks. Just a little bit. And smile. Just like that. And we're going to do the same. And there you go. We have that. Then with that, but I'm gonna give you a nude lip for this because when I see the character off of the newer series, I see a nude lip. So what I'm using Milani's 29 teddy bear and stuff, and that's what we're going to do to finish it off. And that is it, y'all. That is it. This is the newer look. And make sure you like give a little oomph to your hair. But yeah. Yeah. We're have a little oomph. So let me let you see it a little good. I hope you like this beautiful look inspired by the character of She-Ra, the newer version of Catra. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.